Welcome to Bravo Academy. Today, we're going to learn how to install the ID scanner. Just as a precaution, do not plug the ID scanner into the computer until after the installation of the Bravo plugin. Do not install the ID scanner with any disks or drivers that came with it. Before installing the ID scanner, make sure that Bravo is closed. If Bravo is open, close it. To begin, open up a web browser. Now in the URL field, type in www.bravoinstall.com/bravoinstall/plugins. This will take you to the Bravo plugin download page. Here, you will be able to download the plugin for the ID scanner. Remember that this is a 64-bit only plugin and will not work on 32-bit operating systems. Next, click on the link that will allow you to download the plugin. When the plugin has finished downloading, run it to begin the installer. When the installer has opened, click Next. Then on the options screen, make sure you deselect the checkbox called Install CSSN Interpreter. Now, click Next. On the Confirm Installation screen, click Next again. You will then see the installer installing the plugin. When the installer has finished, click Close. The next step is to open up My Computer. Once inside My Computer, navigate to your C drive. Once inside of your C drive, go to Program Files, followed by Bravo, followed by Bravo CSSN Interface, followed by SDK Silent Installer. Now, right-click on the SDK setup, and then select Run as Administrator. The installer will now open. Click Next and you will be taken to the SDK License Agreement page, where you will have to click I agree to begin the install. The following page will ask you to select the destination folder. Do not change the destination folder path. Simply click Next. That will then take you to the Select SDK Components screen. There is nothing to do here, so just click Next. On the next screen, you will be asked to select the install type you would like to use. Select Custom Install. The next screen will ask you what regions you would like to install. Deselect everything except for USA and passports. Then click Next. The next screen is going to ask you about your software activation method. Select the ScanShell 800R, the ScanShell 800NR, and deselect the Snapshell camera if you see it highlighted, followed by clicking Next. The next screen is the Start Installation screen. Click Next and you'll see the software get installed on your computer. When the software has finished installing, click Finish and the installer will then close. You're now ready to plug the ID scanner into your computer. Go ahead and plug the ID scanner into a USB 2.0 port of your PC. You will then see Windows install the ID scanner real quick. Once that's done, you can go ahead and open up Bravo. Once you've logged into Bravo, if you look towards the center of the top of the screen, you'll see an icon that looks like an ID scanner. That means that the ID Scanner's plugin installed successfully. Next, click the Scan button in the Customer Information area of the Bravo dashboard. The Bravo CSSN scan window will appear. If the ID scanner is working correctly, you will see the words "Scanner successfully initialized" in the status field. If the ID scanner is not working correctly, the words "Scanner is not initialized" will appear in red. If this is happening to you, please submit a help desk case or call for further assistance. The last step in this process is to perform a calibration on the ID scanner. In order to perform a calibration, click on the Scan Barcode button. A window will then appear. Click on the Calibrate button and you can begin to feed the calibration card into the ID scanner. When the calibration has been completed, a message will appear saying "Calibration done successfully." You have now calibrated your ID scanner. If you have the ScanShell 800NR, you're going to need to scan the barcode first. In order to do this, feed the ID into the scanner with the picture side facing up and the barcode facing down. If the ID is flush with the right side of the scanner, it can either be fed in horizontally or vertically. Click the Scan Barcode button and the ID scanner will begin to suck in the ID and read the barcode. It will then populate the necessary fields needed for your customer's profile. If you have the ScanShell 800R, your ID scanner comes equipped with optical character recognition. Therefore, there is no need to ever scan any barcodes. So, in order to scan your ID, you're going to feed the ID into the ID scanner with your picture facing down and the barcode facing up. You will then click the Scan/OCR button inside of the Bravo CSSN scan window, and the ID scanner will begin to suck in the ID. It will then capture the front of the ID and convert any text it sees into the information needed to populate the fields for your customer's profile. When you're done scanning the ID, you can click the Done button. You will then be taken to the Customer Found window, where you can either select Add New Customer or select the customer from the ones listed. Thank you for watching Bravo Academy, and tune in next time for All Things Bravo.